Hello everyone, today we'll be checking these sticks from the Kailh brand. These sticks are actually potentiometer sticks. Yes, you heard it right, this is a potentiometer sticks without Hall effect sensors. The construction is a bit different from regular potentiometers. In regular sticks, the potentiometers are separate from the stick box, and this can probably be a failure point as dust can get inside easier through the holes. On the Kailh stick, everything is sealed, and so it's more resistant to dust. I even found a picture showing how it looks inside. But why would you want to use a potentiometer stick in the Hall effect era? Most controllers out there in the market have stick modules with a resistance around 60 grams force. And the best controllers I reviewed lately either have an adjustable tension or a slightly lower tension than regular controllers. For example, the Mechanic G5 Pro V2 has around 40 grams force. And I adjusted my Apex 4 to have around the same value of resistance. I find that this value is very comfortable. And with this Kailh module, you have a lower tension. And this is the biggest advantage of this module over the others. I find that the lower tension makes the sticks more precise for small adjustments, especially in shooting games. And at least on the Nintendo Switch, it performs well enough. On the store page, it said that it's compatible with PS3, PS4, and PS5. I have tested and I confirmed it works on the Switch Pro controller as well, but I haven't tested on the Xbox controller. Here's the measurements if you're curious about the resistance values. And that's it. I've been using these sticks for a while, but I don't know about the durability in the long term. Being a potentiometer stick doesn't mean it's bad, because we have GameCube controllers that works to this day without any drift. So if this stick uses a high quality potentiometer, it can be as durable as those controllers. And if you want a lower tension stick, this is your only option. I'll be leaving the links of these sticks in the description of this video if you want to pick one for yourself. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.